Good evening, students. Starting with the today's topic, third major type of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative propagation. It is generally found in simple and higher plants. Part of plant is used, which is also called as vegetative propagation. It is a fast process. Life cycle of the particular plant animal becomes very short. It is the production of what is vegetative propagation? It is the production of offspring by vegetative propagules in plants. Vegetative propagation is the production of offspring by vegetative propagules in plants. Vegetative propagules are the unit of vegetative reproduction, that is propagation. Example: bud. Bud is found in potato. Bud is also in potato. It is also called as axillary bud, which is in common layman language we used to say it potato eyes. Rhizome is found in banana. It is also stem modification. Now we are discussing here some stem modification. Here are a few examples of subaerial modification. Runner is found in Cynodon and Oxalis. Offset, Pistia, Iconia, Sucker, Mint, Banana, Stolon, Jasmine. And underground modifications. What are the underground modifications? Bulb. Underground stem modifications. Bulb is found in onion and garlic. Corm, Alocasia, tuber, potato, rhizome, ginger and turmeric, banana. Now again the quiz question for you is, I have given a structure of adenine. Adenine ribose sugar attached with adenine, and phosphate, 3 phosphate group are attached with it. First alpha, beta and gamma. This bond is mentioned as A, B, C and D. The question is, 2 high energy bonds are present in ATP. This is the structure of ATP. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative signs, so -4. 2 high energy bonds are present in ATP. Now you have to identify those 2 high energy bonds. Either it is A to B, B to C, C to D, both second and third, both first and second. So this is the first question, and the second question is type of high energy bond. First you have to recognize which is a two high energy bonds. Now the type of high energy bond which is present in ATP -4. First option is phosphoester bond, phosphodiester bond. Second option. Third is amide linkage, and fourth one is phosphoanhydride bond. First option phosphoester bond, second phosphodiester bond, third is amide linkage, and fourth one is phosphoanhydride bond. Now students, these quiz questions I am giving you for the revision of your 11th class, so that you simultaneously you are also going through these topics and also preparing for your NEET exams. Potato, bud and tuber. Here is a diagram of potato eyes, nodes, axillary bud. From axillary bud we can form complete plant. Bulbils in agave. In agave again there is a stem base where a leaf-like structures are attached to it. This is called bulbil, and this leaf-like structure are able to give rise to a complete plant. Rhizome. Example is ginger. In ginger again there are root rhizoids present, nodes are present. These nodes are the vegetative bud. When we cut this part of ginger and place it in damp soil and water, a new plant with root can grow and form a complete plant. Next example is water hyacinth. Water hyacinth, scientific name is Iconia crassipus. Why introduced in India? Why it has been introduced in India? Because source of water. Why it has been introduced in India? Because of beautiful flowers and shape of its leaf. Because of beautiful flower and shape of its leaf. But how it has been become a terror to all the aquatic life